Festival, isn't it marvellous? I'm sure you're all feeling very relaxed. I am. And if that was a taste of what's to come, I'm very excited about this next act. Brian Martin and Mouth Orchestra, local group. You've probably heard them. I have before. Absolutely beautiful variety of world music. Please give them a very warm Maleny welcome.
Or something to do. No, just big applause is fine. Really, it's okay.
Okay, you might have worked out what the first song is, okay? And we are really glad that you have come. And so now that you've come here, please stay a while.
Come in and stay a while.
'Cause the world outside for now. Give yourself a chance to breathe and try your best. Sometimes it's hard to relax, but you need to take the